Ever thought about becoming a successful professional in Google Analytics Fundamental for bloggers? Welcome to the fascinating world where data meets creativity and understanding meets application. Google Analytics is a cornerstone tool for anyone looking to gain insights into their online presence, particularly bloggers. It's like having a backstage pass to your audience's behavior, preferences, and interaction with your content. In the next 10 minutes, we'll embark on a journey to understand the importance of Google Analytics, how to set it up, navigate its dashboard, and interpret the data it provides. We'll delve into the benefits it brings, like helping you make informed decisions, tailoring your content to your audience's preferences, and ultimately, growing your blog's reach and impact. This video serves as a stepping stone into the world of data analysis for bloggers, a world that is both exciting and rewarding. So buckle up and get ready for a ride into the world of numbers, charts, and insights. Stay tuned to learn how to navigate the world of Google Analytics effectively. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can transform your blogging journey. It's a statement that carries a lot of weight, and for good reason. Google Analytics, as its name suggests, is a tool developed by Google to help website owners analyze their traffic data. Essentially, it answers the question, what are visitors doing on my site? This is crucial for bloggers because it allows you to understand your audience's behavior and preferences and adjust your content accordingly. Knowing what content resonates with your audience can significantly improve your blogging success. But what makes Google Analytics such a powerful asset for bloggers? Well, it's all about the insight it provides. It offers a wealth of data about your website visitors, from the pages they view, the duration of their visit, their geographical location, the devices they use, to the sources that led them to your site. This data is presented in a series of reports, each focusing on a different aspect of your website's performance. For example, the Audience Overview report gives you a broad picture of your site's traffic, while the Behavior Flow report shows how users navigate through your site. Now let's talk about some basic terminology used in Google Analytics. Firstly, a session refers to a group of interactions that a user has with your website within a given time frame. It could include multiple page views, social interactions, or transaction events. Secondly, users are those who have initiated at least one session during the date range you've selected. They can be new or returning visitors. Next, page views are the total number of pages viewed. Repeated views of a single page are also counted. Lastly, bounce rate is the percentage of single-page visits, that is, visits in which the person left your site from the entrance page without interacting with the page. In short, Google Analytics is a treasure trove of data that can help you make informed decisions about your blog, its content, and your audience's preferences. Now that you understand Google Analytics, let's dive into how to use it. To get started with Google Analytics, you first need to set it up correctly. Our journey begins at the Google Analytics homepage. Click the Start for Free button and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, don't fret. It's a quick and painless process to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Analytics dashboard. Navigate to the Admin section, located on the lower left side of the dashboard. You'll see three columns: Account, Property, and View. Under the Account column, click on Create Account. Fill in the account name, it can be your name or your blog's name, and proceed with the on-screen instructions. Next, under the Property column, click on Create Property. This is where you'll add your blog. You'll need to input your blog's name, its URL, industry category, and reporting time zone. Once you've filled out the required fields, click on Create. Now comes the moment of truth. It's time to install the tracking code. Navigate back to the Admin section. Under the Property column, click on Tracking Info, and then Tracking Code. This is your unique Google Analytics tracking code. This code needs to be copied and pasted into the header of your blog's HTML. It's crucial that the code is placed before the closing head tag. If you're not sure how to do this, there are plenty of online resources that can guide you, or you might want to consider enlisting the help of a web developer. Once the code is in place, Google Analytics will start collecting data from your blog. You can check if it's working by going back to the Tracking Info section. If you see a status that says Receiving Data, you're in business. Remember, Google Analytics can take up to 24 hours to start showing data, so don't worry if you don't see anything immediately. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Google Analytics on your blog. But what's next? Well, stay tuned as we navigate through the Google Analytics dashboard in the next scene. The Google Analytics dashboard might appear daunting at first glance, but fear not. Let's demystify it together. At the heart of Google Analytics lies the dashboard, a hub of insights and data that can help you understand your blog's performance. It's divided into 5 main sections, each providing a unique perspective on your traffic and user behavior. First, we have real-time reports. This is where you can see what's happening on your blog at this very moment. You can see how many users are active, what pages they're visiting, and even where in the world they're located. It's like having a live CCTV feed of your blog's activity. Next, we have audience reports. These offer a detailed look at who your visitors are. You can see demographic information, such as age and gender, as well as their interests and the devices they use to access your blog. This information can help you tailor your content to your audience's preferences. Then, there are acquisition reports. These show you where your traffic is coming from. Whether it's from search engines, social media, direct links, or other sources, you can see exactly how your visitors found your blog. This can help you identify which channels are most effective for driving traffic. Fourth, we have behavior reports. These delve into what your visitors do once they're on your blog. You can see which pages are most popular, how long users stay on them, and what path they take through your site. This can help you optimize your blog's layout and content for better user engagement. Finally, we have conversion reports. These show you how well you're achieving your goals, whether that's sign-ups, downloads, or other actions. By tracking these conversions, you can measure the success of your strategies and make data-driven decisions. And there you have it. Each of these components plays a crucial role in understanding your blog's performance. With this understanding of the dashboard, you're one step closer to mastering Google Analytics. Interpreting Google Analytics data is critical to making informed decisions about your blog. As we delve into the world of data interpretation, let's begin by understanding audience demographics. Google Analytics provides a wealth of information about your visitors. You can learn about their age, gender, location, and even the devices they use to access your blog. This knowledge is crucial in tailoring your content to meet the specific needs of your audience. Next, consider user behavior. This involves understanding how visitors interact with your blog. Which pages do they spend the most time on? How long do they stay on your blog? Are they new or returning visitors? The answers to these questions offer valuable insights into what's working on your blog and what needs improvement. Now let's talk about traffic sources. Google Analytics not only tells you how many people are visiting your blog, but also where they're coming from. Are they finding you through search engines, social media, or direct links? Knowing where your traffic is coming from can help you focus your marketing efforts more effectively. But Google Analytics is more than just numbers and charts. It's a tool that allows you to set goals and track conversions. For instance, if one of your goals is to increase newsletter signups, you can use Google Analytics to see how many visitors are completing this action. By tracking conversions, you can see which strategies are leading to success and which ones might need a rethink. And let's not forget about the power of real-time analytics. This feature allows you to see what's happening on your blog at any given moment. How many people are on your site right now? What pages are they viewing? Real-time analytics can give you immediate feedback on new posts or updates. Interpreting Google Analytics data might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, the goal is not to get lost in the data, but to use it as a tool to make informed decisions about your blog. Now that you can interpret Google Analytics data, you're well on your way to becoming a successful professional. You've made it. You're now equipped with the basic knowledge of Google Analytics for bloggers. So what's next? The path to mastery doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. We've covered the introduction, understanding, setting up, navigation, and interpretation of Google Analytics. We've taken a journey through the vast landscape of data and metrics, and you've now got the compass in your hand. But like any tool, its power lies in how you use it. So, continue practicing, keep exploring, and keep asking questions. There's always more to learn, more insights to uncover. You've unlocked the door. Now it's time to step into the world of data-driven decisions. And as you delve deeper, remember, this isn't just about numbers and charts. It's about understanding your audience, their behavior, their preferences. It's about using this knowledge to create content that resonates, engages, and drives success. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand your audience, the more successful your blog will be. Happy analyzing!